Saving Money by Nadia Higgins. Save it. Tim has money. What will he do with it? He will save it. Tim has a goal. He wants to buy a pet fish, but he does not have enough money. Not yet. He will keep saving. How does Tim earn money? He does chores. He gets an allowance. Tim makes a savings jar. He draws a picture of a fish to put by it. He puts his money in the jar. He will not take it out until he has saved enough. He checks off a week on his chart. After 5 weeks, he will have enough. Finally, Tim has enough money saved. He buys a fish. He names it Goldie. Saving is fun. It helps us buy the things we want. What will you save for?